Good afternoon and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2020 Kenworth, folks. 54.6 GVW with an additional 12,000 lift axle on it. P9 engine. Beautiful truck, folks. Has a 25-foot by 102 bed with a universal mounting kit. Brand new tires on the front. Excellent condition, 191,000 miles, automatic transmission, all steel bed, 25 by 102, brand new buyer's toolbox. Take a look underneath, turbo blasted and been repainted. Excellent tire condition, 80% to new in the rear, refurb steel outer rims, universal mounting kit, carries Moffett, Princeton, and Load Mac. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. You can take a look at our inventory of trucks, trailers, and piggyback forklifts, Moffett, Load Mac, and Princeton. Brand new straps, refurbed ratchets, folks. Refurbed steel outer rim, beautiful condition. 191,000 miles. Inside's nice and clean. Beautiful unit, automatic transmission. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com.